A lot of the channeled whelk work at VIMS has been like a legacy for Bob Fisher. He's been really passionate about it probably since the 1990s, working with Marine Advisory Program. There's commercial fishing in the Mid-Atlantic and New England regions, and like price per pound, channeled whelks in some states within New England, channeled whelks surpass the lobster fishery in price per pound. So it's been pretty lucrative for individuals, and it's not quite as large, in terms of participation as other commercial fisheries within Virginia, but there's still a lot of economic revenue that comes from the fishery. So the working group was an effort put together by Bob Fisher. He asked individuals from states ranging from Massachusetts down to Georgia to basically sit in and provide feedback on, what they know about the channeled whelk fishery in their state, as well as, what current research is going on and any concerns or, issues they want to highlight or address, that needs to be changed within the channeled whelk fishery. The main goal of the white paper is to provide an outline for, states to follow on, how can we be consistent among states. Even though, channeled whelk have different populations, the resource is separated, or, they're genetically distinct, the issues that are within those different resources among states, the issues are fairly much the same. At least we need to have mandatory reporting within the fishery, for every state. But as far as, making any more concrete decisions, we just really need to fill those data gaps in first. Our long-term goals are the same when it comes to industry and management agency. We want this fishery to be sustainable and around for years to come. So really highlighting that goal to them, that we want to protect this highly valuable fishery, and bringing up the biology of the whelk, and at least what we found so far from the biological assessments that we know, and then where those data gaps exist and how industry can work with us to answer those, remaining questions when it comes to the biology of channeled whelk. And then lastly, again, just highlighting working together, that this is, a partnership. We want to work with industry, and that the information that they've gathered through working this fishery for years is important to us, and moving forward, we just strive to better understand, what their perspective is and their stake in all of this.